Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am sitting on the floor right now, and you might be thinking, girl, why are you on the floor? You're never on the floor. Why are you on the floor? Well, I do have an answer to that question. The reason why I'm sitting on the floor is because I'm finally going to be cleaning, decluttering, and reorganizing underneath my bed. Oh my gosh, I have been wanting to do this for literally months, but I keep setting it aside because I also don't want to do it at the same time. Like, a lot is going on underneath here, and I know that, and I don't want to really deal with it, but I also want my room to be clean and feel like my room and not just like a place where I store a bunch of my stuff. I actually started filming this video back in May, and I have footage from that. It has just gotten worse since then because I keep putting stuff in these bins. It keeps becoming a mess. It's just, that doesn't even count. The progress I made in that video doesn't even count. So I'm here today to go through my bins. It is later in the day. I think it's like 4 p.m. I could be wrong, but it is later in the day. So I'm just gonna do this until I get tired because it needs to get done, you guys. It needs to get done. I have 5 bins right here behind me, and then I think there's 3 on the other side of my bed, and then there's just more underneath my bed. There's just a lot more underneath my bed. I have boxes of stuff, boxes of Squishmallows, empty boxes. I just have a lot going on underneath, and it becomes a little stressful knowing that underneath here is just a complete mess. Just a complete mess. One of the main reasons why I am organizing and going through my bins is obviously because they're messy. That's number 1. 2, it stresses me out to know how messy they are, and I just have a bunch of clutter under there that I don't even use. Like, I can't recall the last time I went underneath my bed to grab something that I actually used, so I have to get rid of stuff if I'm not using it. There's no point on having it if I'm not using it, you know? And also, because I need to redo my shelves, my K-pop shelves, but the thing is, I'm running out of space on my K-pop shelves. So I need to be able to put all my K-pop albums and merch that I'm not going to be displaying in a safe spot where I know it is, and that would be underneath my bed. All the stuff that I like want to keep, but I don't really need access to, is going to go in a box and go out into my garage. Currently is Saturday. I'm hoping I have this done by Monday because I have a concert on Monday. Oh no, I have a concert on Tuesday, not Monday, sorry. I have a concert on Tuesday, and it would just be nice to be able to go to that concert and come back and not have to deal with any of this. So, without further ado, let's just get started. I know I've been talking for a minute now, but I had to explain that to you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna get started, and let's just go from there. Okay, I have an empty box here, and I think I'm gonna start off with this bin right to here because this just has a bunch of junk in it, and I feel like, I don't know, I have an attachment to stuff even if I don't need it. So I don't know, we'll see how well this goes. Okay, so I just cleared out this bin. I did end up keeping quite a bit of stuff, but it is stuff that has a purpose. I cleared out a lot more than I did last time because this was all stuff that I kept last time. So that is the first bin cleared out. I'm gonna throw away all this trash and then I'll get onto the second bin. Okay, I got a little distracted for a little bit, but that's okay. I am now going to go through this bin, which should be easy because I think I kind of want to keep We'll see. I don't know, but I got distracted for a bit, so I gotta get back on track. Okay, so it looks like the box of stuff that I'm keeping has more stuff than the stuff I'm getting rid of. That's okay, because I'm gonna try and make, oh my gosh, I'm gonna try and make all of this fit into one bin, or maybe it's stuff that I can put in the garage. We will see. The next day, and yesterday I only got 4 bins cleared out, which actually is good progress, but I didn't want any of that stuff on my floor last night, so when I woke up this morning to get ready I would have a mess, so I put a lot of the stuff back in the bin, so I have to take them out again. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna continue on clearing out the bins because it's Sunday and I said I want this done by Monday and I still have other stuff to do, so gotta get this done. Bins cleared out, a box almost fully packed to go out into the garage, and then I can't even move that. I have a full box of stuff I'm gonna keep. All of this is gonna have a new place. It's just gonna take a bit to actually get to that place. I'm gonna get to this one, and then we're gonna move to the other side of my bed, or maybe I'll organize some of this a bit and then we'll get to the other side of my bed. We shall see. This is the current state of my room. You actually can't see any of this while I'm filming on my ring light. Sorry, I'm covering up my address right there. But you actually can't see any of this from where my ring light is. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like in front of me. I'm not going to be filming me cleaning out the 3 bins over there though, because my ring light can't reach that far over and I don't have another accessible plug right now. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and then once I'm done doing that, I will get back to you guys and give a little update of what I have going on. It is now the next day. I'm not showing my face because I look a little rough right now, but I have stuff packed up and labeled. I know it's taped weirdly, but gotta do what I gotta do, you know? This is a box of stuff I'm getting rid of. That's some other stuff I'm getting rid of, and that's some other stuff I'm getting rid of. I have that bin, and that bin with stuff in it, which I know is more than I wanted, but they're not like completely full of stuff, as you can see, and I wanted it like that. Well, this one is. That one's full of stuff. I need to take these out to the garage. These are probably also gonna go out in the garage just for now, and then figure out what to do with all this stuff. So this is what it looks like underneath my bed. It actually doesn't look as bad as I thought it did. There's just like small things right here that were stopping bins from going anywhere. So it's actually not that bad. So hopefully it doesn't take forever to do this now that I can like actually see what's going on underneath here. Nothing's happening to the bins with my K-pop. They're all staying. Same with these 3 bins. But most of this has to get cleared out, so let's hope I can do that. Okay, so all of my K-pop, like big things are right there except for these two, because honestly, I don't know how well I trust them being right there. I will see what it looks like, but I just don't know yet. So those are under there because a lot of this stuff is not going back. So I just took up that space using other stuff. So it is now like a few days later because I have not been feeling well, but that is okay. I am now officially done with cleaning and reorganizing underneath my bed. I can't really show you guys too easily what it looks like because to even do underneath my bed fully, I had to flip my mattress up against my window, as you guys saw. I forgot there was a pumpkin there. Sorry, you guys. But as you guys saw, I had to flip my mattress up, and I'm not doing that again because I have my bedding on, have all my cute little stuff on it now. But I am officially done with underneath my bed. As you guys saw, I decluttered the bins. I was able to empty all bins but 3 because I was only giving myself like 2 or 3 bins to keep stuff in from underneath the bed. Everything else that was underneath the bed, either I'm getting rid of or I'm keeping, and it's in the garage. So that is no longer a problem for underneath my bed. And all those bins are full with K-pop albums, except for 3. 3 of them still have stuff in it, but every other bin is full with K-pop albums. And I cleared out other stuff underneath there as well. There was just like some random boxes, beads because I used to make bracelets all the time, just a bunch of random stuff that I also cleared out for room for more K-pop albums that were too big to fit into the bins. Everything worked out perfectly. There's still a lot of space underneath there. I did decide to just put some boxes under there because they were boxes that were just in my room, and it's like I don't even want to deal with that right now. So there are some boxes under there still, but that's okay. I was able to get everything under there that I needed to get under there, and it's not like completely done, but I won't be able to finish it until I work on my closet video. So look forward to that because you'll probably see me finishing underneath my bed in that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's kind of random. Recording the process of it made it like 10 times more worth it because I was really not looking forward to going through all of those bins. It was crazy. It was crazy. I encountered a few spiders along the way. I didn't really enjoy that. Did not enjoy that. But filming it made it a lot more fun and enjoyable. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know down in the comments below, and comment the rose emoji if you stayed this far into the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!